Cervical cancer. Let's talk about cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is one of the leading cancers that affects the women's reproductive organ, and cancer is not a joke. Okay, it's not a joke. It's very painful. It affects women, and cervical cancer has been on the rise recently. Now, the funny thing is that cervical cancer can be prevented, and the unfortunate thing again is that most men, there has been an increase of men having the virus that causes cervical cancer. Now, one thing you should know about this video is that a man can have the virus that causes cervical cancer, which is the human papilloma virus, and not have the clinical presentation, which is like maybe warts in his reproductive, in his intimate areas, okay, the things in his penis and all of those places. A man can have HPV and not have all of those symptoms. Now, when this man sleeps with a woman who has a cervix, a woman can get infected with the HPV and then get infected and get cervical cancer over a long period of time. Yes, so this is why you should be careful. Now, cervical cancer the virus that causes cervical cancer, which is HPV, can not only be gotten by sexual activities like anal sexual activities, kissing and all of those things. It can also, HPV, the virus that causes cervical cancer, can be gotten through skin contact using the same towel, kissing, touching. Okay, so you can see how bad the transmission has become. Yes, so this is why I'm making this awareness video, because cervical cancer can be prevented, and most people don't know about cervical cancer. It is very, very deadly. Okay, now cervical cancer is caused by human papilloma virus, which I've explained. This virus can also cause anal cancer. It can also cause vulvar cancer. Okay, so please listen and listen attentively. How to prevent cervical cancer. Prevention of cervical cancer. If you're a woman up to your childbearing age, like if you're up to 21 years, 18 years, and you started having sex, you're going to go right now, go to a hospital and get tested. So all you need to do is get vaccinated. Go and get vaccinated. Before you get vaccinated, you go to a hospital or a clinical center to go and do a test. It's called pap smear. Okay, after this, like checking your cervix and stuff to find out if you've been subjected to the virus. Okay, when you take the pap smear, you'll be given a vaccine, and after vaccination, you're safe. Okay, now please, this vaccine is expensive. Here in Nigeria, most of them are not free. I urge influential people to please make these vaccines available for the young adults. Women are coming down with cervical cancer. If you're a lady, you're using an iPhone and you've not done your vaccine, please do. Okay, share this video, like and follow me, ask questions.